What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of greatness. So go follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And if you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $EarthLocs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. Okay, Loc Nation, first things first, we are getting into sectioning the locks, okay? The first step to any style is to section the locks, okay? You want to have a blueprint on where you're going with your style. So, the first step here is to create our first section. And of course, I have it already sectioned, but we're going to walk through the steps, all right? So the first section is the crown section. We're going to be creating a U part, starting from the temple, going up and around to the We're going to take this first section and just get it out of the way. You guys know how we do. We're going to go ahead and just put a twist in it. This is the first part in the first section that we created. We're going to be going with our second part in our second section. So our second part starts here, behind the ear. About 50% of the way down the head from the hairline. 50%. So we're starting from the ear. We're going over to the other side of the ear. Once you create that second part, you can go ahead and put that second portion into We're going to be moving on to our third and final part, okay? And we're going to start here. So that third and final part, we're going from just at the back, straight across. Straight across, okay? Once we create that third and final part, we can go ahead and put that section of hair into a ponytail. And by default, we have our third section here. Okay, so that's basically how you section your hair to do this style. And moving right along, we have 4 sections. We have the bottom section, middle section, second middle section, or top section, and we have the crown. So as you can see, this is how we section our hair for this style. And of course, the front is not going into a ponytail. Just these 3
we
sections.
We are back
at the front, and we are working with the first section that we created, and we made a chunky twist. I just took the chunky twist out. This is where we made the part from the temple around the crown down, okay? Now, with this section, we are going to be creating a plait, and this particular plait is going to be an under plait. So, section the hair in even sections, and we're going to start with this part. We're going to go under. Just like so, making a plait. And you also want this plait to be kind of loose. You don't want it to be tight, just like so. Alright, just like so. Okay. So I've created a very loose plait. And the reason I want this to be loose is because I want to fan this plait out. I really want to manipulate this plait and play with it. So what I'm going to do here is just fan it out a little bit, and see, it's really loose. I don't even have it finished. I want it to be loose so I can pull, so I can kind of like pull on the locks just gently, like so, to create a more dramatic look. Okay, starting at the top, creating a more dramatic look with the plait. Okay, you can let it go if you like. So I'm just kind of like fanning it out, just like so, to fan it out. Just like so. And you can manipulate this. As you see me doing, the plait isn't finished, so it's easily manipulated. See? That's why I didn't finish it. So I wanted to just fan it out. And when you're doing this particular process, you want to start fanning at the top. I could probably fan that out a little bit too much, but you know, so I'm going to bring it down. Still plaited. Okay, fan. As you can see, I have my fanned out plait here. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. And what I'm going to do here, you're going to go ahead and flip it back. Once the plait is flipped back, okay? Follow me here. We're going to take these 3 sections here and we're going to kind of like separate them like this, 2 and 1, and we're going to sit it right on top of that first ponytail. Just sit it there. Once we flip the plait back and we sit that right there on top of that ponytail, now we can get into manipulating this top section here. This is going to be a bit of a hump, and I just really wanted to look cute. I think this is a bit much here, so I'm going to go ahead and unravel about 1 or 2 stitches of this plait. Okay, so I'm basically going to take it out like this. Okay, and the same thing we did. We're going to sit that right there on top of the ponytail, okay? What I just showed you guys. All right. I'm just going to swing that around under that just for visual purposes. And I'm not going to continue this plait until I'm done manipulating the top part. So basically, what I'm going to be doing on the top section, and the reason I have it out, is so that I can really manipulate these portions. I could pull it out like so. Pull this out a little bit, fan it, just like so. See here, creates a really cool pattern. Okay, and I'm still manipulating. I'm going to go pull this out a little bit, just like so. Okay, and our plait is not completed. So to really make this look cool, we're just going to push it up a little bit, just like so. And I'm going to bring this down just like so. I'm going to go ahead and push this down, just like so. I'm going to pin that right there. Stick a pin there. Super cute. You guys see the pattern that is created with the plait, and this is a loose plait, by the way. We're going to continue. I'm also going to bring this down a little bit, just like so. And this is why I'm leaving it out, so that I can really just take my time and really have fun and be creative and really manipulate these locks how I want them to look. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm basically just manipulating this hair and pulling it down like so, creating a loop effect. Okay, creating a looped effect. Once I create that looped effect, y'all, I'm getting excited about this style. I'm going to go ahead and pin this down here. Okay, and I am using longer pins for extra security. I'm going to stick that pin there. Just like so. Secure that. All right. We're going to move now. We're at the other side, and we are going to continue to manipulate this plait. I'm going to start pulling on the other strings, just like so. Okay. Put it over to the side for you guys. And just so that you understand what's happening here, I'm just working with the plait. I'm just working with the plait. You see the 3 strands, and I'm just literally manipulating the strands and creating the look that I want. So I am just leaving it open clearly, and I'm going to continue to manipulate this. And I'm just pulling this out a little. See how that looks cute? And that's how why we have it open. Okay, that's super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do this section here, and I'm just going to do the same thing I've been doing, manipulating my locks, just pulling them one by one, because I really want to create a cute, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and take a pin. I'm going to secure it right here. Just like so. And again, the plait is still very loose, okay? So take your time with this. Continue to manipulate this how you want it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put a pin here. I'm gonna put a pin here. I'm gonna put a pin here. Just like so. Okay. Continue manipulating this exactly how I want it. And now I'm going to put a pin here. Go ahead and put a pin right here. And we will take this pin out later. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put a pin right here. Just to hold that hair. Once we put the pin in, we're going to go ahead and start with our basic 3-strand braid, and we're going to even it out, okay? 3 even parts, and we're going to start our braid. Keep in mind that you want this braid to be loose, okay? This is not going to be a tight braid, very loose, okay? So we're starting the braid, and we're not pulling on the hair because we don't want to pull out our style that we did. So we're doing the braid. As we're doing the braid, please feel free to fan out if you'd like to. If you like, we're going to be incorporating the second ponytail. Just the braid. All the way down. Notice that there are not many stitches in this braid because we don't want the braid to be super tight. Create this plait. Just like so. And this style can be done on long and medium length hair. With medium length hair, of course, your braid is not going to stretch all the way down, but you can stop it here. What I'm going to be doing is adding some lock petals to the end of this plait. Okay, I'm going to stop it right here. All of these loose locks here at the end, you can either do your braid all the way down, or you can go ahead and throw some lock petals in here like I'm about to do, because I just want to spice it up just a little bit. You guys know how I do. When I do lock petals are kind of repetitive, and I've done lock petals on this channel so many times. I am going to leave the link right here at the top of the screen, how to do lock petals. Okay, lock petals are fairly repetitive to do. And pause the video right here and go and watch my lock styling technique tutorial right here, how to do lock petals. Okay, and then come back to this video.
It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me what you want.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.